Today I'm going to teach you how to make some yummy potato curry. Before I start, if you like these videos or you end up liking this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and hit the little bell thing so you know whenever I get more videos posted. Anyway, I'm not going to hang around too much. Let's go ahead. You're going to heat the vegetable oil up in a pot. After you heat it up on medium heat, you're going to go ahead and add the onions. You go ahead and cook the onions until they're translucent, which is probably about 3 or 4. Once that's done, you go ahead and add the curry, the paprika, the garlic, the ginger, and the cayenne. There we go, there's the ginger. Cumin. And a little bit of cayenne. Up and let it get a little fragrant, about 2 minutes. You're going to go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients. So potatoes. Go ahead and pour the broth in there. I'm using a lot more than the recipe called for, just because I'm making a lot more for a lot more people. Bloop, 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 bloop. This is the vegetable stock. Add the lemon juice. Okay. Tomatoes. With all the juices. Mix that up a little bit. Chickpeas. And go ahead and add the coconut milk. The version I got isn't liquidy, so it's going to take me a second to scoop all this out. And there's a liquid down there. I'm going to do it with 2 cans because I'm making a lot more. One more can to go. After I do this, I'm going to mix everything up. Let everything mix together. I'm going to increase the heat, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat and maintain a simmer and cook for about 20-20. The finished product, mine's a little runnier than I like it to be, but you serve it over some rice or maybe some kind of bread. There you have yourself one yummy meal. That's it. That's how you do it. That's how you make this easy recipe for potato curry. Like I said earlier, if you like this video or you like any of my other videos, feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell next to it to give you notifications of whenever I'm posting more videos. Also, feel free to scroll through some of my older videos to see other recipes I've made either on live stream or on YouTube. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you next time.